Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts have become trending topics on the internet. Many creators are making Reels on Instagram to become quick success. You will find so many tutorial videos on how to create Shorts or Reels on YouTube. But all of them are suggesting the same fact-based niches. And many new creators start working on the same niches. For this reason, this niche becomes oversaturated. That's the only reason many new creators are not getting expected views. Don't worry, I found a new niche for my viewers. And in today's video, I am gonna share this with you. Not only that, I will share the best way to make the videos with the help of AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Before starting the video, let's watch some examples. Look at this channel. It has over 100k subscribers. It has published only 115 short videos. And now look at this channel, it has 428k subscribers. It has published only 51 short videos. And the most interesting fact is both are monetized. Now let's have a look at their video.
2 secret psychology tricks to make people instantly like you. These are extremely powerful.
This is so simple and created by an AI tool. But the important point is the topic or niche. It talks about dark psychology and manipulation. And today I will make videos on this niche. Let's get started. Now another important point is that you can't generate dark psychology and manipulation tips with ChatGPT or Google Bard. In this case, you can collect data from Google. Just search for dark psychology tips. Now enter any of these websites. The tips are really good. Now let's copy one of the tips from here. But we won't use these tips directly, because it can be an issue of copyright. To solve this issue, we will rewrite the quests with ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, enter a prompt as rewrite this paragraph and then paste the quest. ChatGPT will rewrite the tips instantly. Alright, our tip is ready. Now we can create a video with it. You can generate voiceover with any AI voice generator and then generate images with an AI image generator, after that edit them with a video editor. But if we can do all of them with one tool, it will be more interesting. I am talking about Fleeky AI. Fleeky AI is one of the best text-to-video generator AI. After coming to the Fleeky AI website, click on Get Start for free now. If you are new to Fleeky AI, then you have to create an account. You can create an account with your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and email account. Alright, after creating an account, come to the dashboard. Here you can notice some of my previous projects. If you are first time, you may find it blank. Okay, now click on the new file from here to start creating our new video. On this page, we have to select file type, language, and others. First, select the file type as video, then select your desired language. You can generate videos in more than 40 languages in different accents in Fleeky. I will select English with US accents. Now give a name to your video. After that, set the aspect ratio. I will select 9:16. If you are making Reels for Instagram, select 1 by 1. After all is set, hit the submit button. And this is the Fleeky AI creator page. First of all, come to the Scene 1 box. Here we have to paste the script. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy only the first line of the rewritten quest. I copy the first line because if we copy the whole quest, then it will generate video in a single scene. But I want a video with multiple scenes and images. So, copy the first line and paste it on the scene 1. After that, click on the plus icon from here to create a new scene. Now go back to ChatGPT again and copy the second line, then paste it into the second scene script box. Do it again and again till the last line. Alright, our script is ready. Now it's time to select the voice actor. Click on the voice actor named Sarah from here. Sarah is the default voiceover. Now you will find a vast number of voice actors list here. Listen to some voice first and then select a deep voice for your video. And yes, don't forget to click on Apply this voice to all the voiceovers. Otherwise, you have to change the voice actor from every scene. Alright, our voiceover is ready. Now it's time to generate visuals for our video. You can generate auto visuals from the Fleeky stock footage library by clicking here. But I will generate images like the videos we have seen. To do this, first, Copy the first scene script and then click on the visuals icon from here. Now select the generate icon. It's a text-to-image generator option. Paste the script text as the prompt and additionally a dark paint as the prompt. After that, hit the generate button. And here it is. If you don't like the image, you can regenerate the image. Once you are satisfied with the image, click on Use this art from here. In this way, generate images for all of the scenes. Okay, our visuals are ready. Now let's add a background music. Come to the top common scene, click on the Choose file. Here you will find a vast number of background music. Select intense and ambient music as the BGM. Alright, we are done. Now the subtitle. You can use fleeky subtitles. But I will generate subtitles with another AI tool with some other minor editing. Turn off the subtitle from here. Okay, now download the video. Click on the download icon from here. It may take some time. Once the rendering is completed, click on the download file from here. Now for generating subtitles, I will use CapCut. CapCut is free to use and has an online version also. If you don't have the desktop version on your system, you can use the online version. Alright, after coming to CapCut, import the fleeky AI generated video. Insert the video in the timeline. Now come to the text tab and then select auto caption from here. Select your video language and then hit the create button. CapCut will analyze our voiceover and generate a caption for us. And here it is. The subtitles are perfectly synchronized. Now I will change the font, size, and color to make it perfect. I will add a subtitle background. After all of this, set the subtitle position in the middle of the video. And be sure your apply to all option is turned on. Okay, now it's looking perfect. We can add some animation to make it better. Come to the animation tab and then select caption. Now select one animation preset from here. Now it's looking more perfect. Okay, now I will add an effect on my video. Come to the effect tab and then select one effect from here. Okay, after all is set, click on the export button to export the video. And our video is ready. Let's enjoy it.
Love bombing, a manipulative dating ploy employed by narcissistic and abusive individuals, stands out as one of the most perilous tactics, exploiting the vulnerabilities inherent in the victim. This insidious strategy relies heavily on dark psychology tricks and is predominantly deployed in relationships and friendships, with rare occurrences within family dynamics. The perpetrator showers the target with unwavering admiration and excessive attention, crafting an illusion of being the center of the giver's world.
How was it? Let me know in the comments section. In this method, you can create unlimited videos for your new channel and make substantial money. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating shorts with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!